What's going on, Weekendviibez family? It's your girl, Lady G, and I'm back with another DIY. You guys seem to really love the DIYs on the channel, so I have 2 in store for you guys, so hope you enjoy part 1.
Yeah. Dark skin, deep rooted. Your smile crazy and your ass stupid. I gotta ask, do you jump around a half an hour just to put your jeans on and you kinda laugh? We getting faded. The weekend vibe, I know it's your favorite. You and your makeup. Flashback to the summer that we broke up. Put a hole in my heart like a donut.
What's up, Weekendviibez family? It's your most inconsistent YouTuber ever. I know I'm so inconsistent, but y'all have to understand my life is so hectic right now. But I decided to finally drop one of these DIYs that I have. I actually did this back in June. Wait, did I do this in June? I'm pretty sure it was June. Anyways, getting to the supplies here. Basically, I got I got everything from Amazon except for the cake board. The cake boards, these 2 floral fake plants, and I got the fake green grass, but everything else came directly from Amazon. This cake topper is from Amazon. This is actually a cake topper kit, and it has balloons and stuff from that. I got that from Amazon, diapers and everything. So yeah, so basically this is my first diaper cake. Bear with me guys. Basically, I started off with rolling them up. I got a nice set of rubber band kit from Amazon again. I think it's like 500 in them. Anyways, so I'm just here rolling up the rubber bands and so forth. Now, I did skim a video on YouTube of how to do this. I definitely should have paid attention. That's not one of my strong skills. You'll see throughout the video. But yeah, I'm just rolling them up. I think if you have kids and you're looking for diapers, I would say go to Amazon, because I think Amazon had the best buy and for the price. So while we're here together, because I know you're watching this video to the end, let's do a little life update. So number 1, you're probably thinking I should put this in a podcast, a life update. I have come to the decision that I will no longer be doing podcasts anymore. So sad. That's how I got started with Weekendviibez, but YouTube was always my passion. I knew I always wanted to do YouTube. So yeah, that's it for podcasts. Part of the main reason is that I didn't have a consistent co-host. If you're coming from the podcast over to YouTube, you already know the storyline. If you found me on YouTube and you're not familiar with the podcast, basically I had 2 co-hosts. I don't even want to say we fell out. It wasn't really a fallout. It was just more of I can't even think of the word. We had indifferences basically, and different visions of what the podcast would be and stuff like that. I don't know. I feel like I'm a visionary. So when I see something, I envision what it is going to be in the end. I can't really live in the moment during a project or any kind of thing I'm doing. I like to envision what I want to see in the end. So I think maybe that's part of my creativity. Well, I'm so crafty and I do a lot of crafts and stuff like that, whatever. But when I envision something, I see the end vision. I never see the process. You know what I mean? I guess that's my type of manifestation. So yeah, no more podcasts. I'm trying to get consistent with YouTube, but like you guys know, I started back nursing school back in March. So it's kind of hard to balance, and then school is very demanding. It's just getting harder and harder. Y'all pray for me. I need to stay prayed up. So yeah. This was a really bad idea on my end. I actually started gluing the diapers around the edges to make a border, not realizing there was a better method. I do have another video that's dropping. It's not technically a DIY, but I do a second diaper cake because Seems like all my friends want to have babies this summer, but they're both cute, 2 little boys. But anyways, yeah. So this isn't a good idea. I don't recommend doing this. I'm not going to tell you what the proper way to do this is, but if you go ahead and you watch my second video that I'm going to be dropping hopefully soon, I'm really going to try to push this out. I think I have like 3 more weeks left on my class, so if not, within the next 3 weeks I'll drop a second video. Yeah, make sure I run this video up too. So yeah, I'm just going around the borders, and I pretty much like struggled with this glue. I'm not gonna even lie, it dropped a few times. I had to even leave it. You see, one just dropped to the next day. This is not the next day yet, but yeah, I had to leave it to the next day. I couldn't even finish what I was doing. But the second one that I did, I was able to do everything all in one setting because of the method that I use. This is a fail. I don't know what I was doing. This is the second part, the second layer. So that was my method that I was doing with the cake board, which in the second video that I had doing a diaper cake, I actually didn't use 3 cake boards like I did in the first video. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going around the edges with this crimple paper. It's a safari theme. I'm pretty sure you saw the intro. So that's basically what I'm doing, and that's how it came out. And I'm just adding like some extra glue for the middle because I'm going to put some more diapers there. And then I put a little bit of glue on the top part, as you can see, just to make sure that it was like nice and full. So yeah, I'm just going around. Okay, so for the third cake topper, I actually cut it down to size because I wanted the top to be, of course, smaller, because when you think about a cake, the top tier is always smaller. And that's the fake grass that I told you guys that I got from Dollar Tree. It came in so clutch. Like, I didn't even know what I was really gonna do with the top, or actually with the whole cake to begin with. But yeah, I ran in Dollar Tree because I was like, let me see if there's any last minute things I can pick up for this. Even though I had ordered a whole bunch of little things from Amazon, I still wanted to go that extra mile. But this grass actually came out so nice, and it matched the theme so well. So this is the next day. I had to leave it overnight to dry because they were like falling apart. Like I said, when I drop that second video, you'll see the better method. But either it was my first time doing it, and I'm just taking, oh my gosh, I just realized how ashy I am. Excuse the ash. It's really embarrassing with the amount of lotion that I have in this house. It really is. But yeah, I got this from Amazon again, and I'm just going around the border. I'm trying to cover up the rubber band basically. But yeah, it didn't match with the theme too. So I'm doing that, and I'll be doing that to all 3 layers, or actually all 3 tiers, I should say. So I'm just taking some scissors and I'm cutting around with the crinkle paper, just because some pieces are a little bit longer, just so it looks like, you know, neat as possible. And I also did that for the top tier with the fake grass. So now I'm just going in with the decorations now that I have all 3 tiers. And like I said, I got these little floral sticks from the Dollar Tree. They're always there. I've used them multiple times for different things too. So I'm just going in and I'm kind of like winging it. I had a slight idea of where I wanted to position certain things, but I'm just basically putting them in and seeing what looks good. Those trees, and you know, I'm just moving them around. That's a cute little lion. It actually raws that I got from Amazon, and I'm using the end of one of the fake plants so I can prop them up on top. There's a better angle. Yeah, so that's how my lion on top. It was the main attraction, and I'm just going around. That ribbon, it did not really it was giving me a hard time with the glue. I don't know if it was the material and the type of glue or if it was just me, but we're gonna go with the material. So yeah, I'm just fixing this glue back again, and like I said, I'm winging it. I'm just moving things on based upon how I think it looks good. This is the vibe, I'm that guy. You won't waste no time. Waste no time. Waste no. You won't waste no. No. Waste no. Waste no. You won't waste no. Waste no. Waste no time. Waste no. You won't waste no. Waste no. Waste no. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her. She came with her. Nah, she gotta go. Go. Gotta go. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her. She came with her. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her. But she gon' slide right to my side, I know. She pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. Took her back. Took her back. But she gon' slide. Took her back. Took her back. Took her back. Arch in your back. Arch in your back. Arch in your back. So here I am with the cake topper. That was a safari themed cake topper, which actually came in so clutch because I was looking for safari themed toys, but this cake topper came in handy. It was a whole nice little kit. I think like a 32 pieces. I didn't use all of it either. You know, I didn't want to overcrowd it, but I also didn't want to under decorate. So I'm just like gluing the bottom of their feet to the paper part, the crimple paper. It came out good. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too And this is the baby shower. I was also part of the decorating committee as well. So y'all get the rest of y'all PPP loans and hire your girl. And yeah, it was safari theme. And this is the diaper cake, and it's right next to the cake table. I think it came out so cute, and it matched the theme so well. Everybody thought it was cute. So yeah, this is it. Here's another closer view. Well, thank you for watching to the end. Please, please, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment.
I gotta ask, do you jump around a half an hour just to put your jeans on and you